Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make face cleanser at home. If you are new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you can get instant access to our videos each time we upload them. Face cleanser is a non-foaming product that is used to remove deep-seated dirt, dust particles, and oil from the face. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to make a face cleanser at home. Face cleanser can be made with the following materials. These are ethanol, isopropyl alcohol, glycerin, vitamin E, perfume, and color. Color in this case can be optional. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 200 ml of face cleanser. Ethanol 150 ml, isopropyl alcohol 25 ml, glycerin 10 ml, vitamin E 10 ml, and perfume 5 ml. If using color, a pinch is just okay, but in this particular production, we're not using any color. Now let me show you these materials one by one, and then we go into the mixing properly. Now this is ethanol, and this is isopropyl alcohol. This is glycerin, and this is vitamin E. This is perfume. Just like I said earlier, here we're not using any color, but if you intend to use color, make sure it's a water-based color. Now measure about 150 ml of ethanol into a container. In no particular order, add the following chemicals to it: isopropyl alcohol, glycerin, vitamin E, and perfume. Now stir the content properly, and ladies and gentlemen, your face cleanser is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.